Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get verified on Instagram. If you are using Instagram and you want to get a verification badge on your Instagram profile, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you have to update your Instagram app. After that, you have to simply open your Instagram app, and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner, and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner here. Just scroll down and look for the option of Meta Verified. Here's the option. You just have to select that option here, and here you'll get all of the mm, features you'll get in your verified page or your verified profile. So here you will get all the features. There is standard, and then plus, then premium, and after that you will get the max. So here you will get all the benefits you will have in your max profile. After that, you just have to go back. And here, if you want to unlock these benefits, you must have to tap on this unlock benefits option. And here, just tap on the profile with which you want to get verified. If you want to get verification badge on your both Facebook profile and Instagram profile, just select the first option and save up to 90% on two profiles. Or if you want to verify it on only your single Instagram profile, just tap on continue with one profile option here. And here just tap on this continue option, and then you must have to pay for this. So just tap on this confirm option and it will be paid from your app store, or if you're using any Android phones, it will use your Google Pay. And after that you'll get the verification badge on your profile, and you will have a verified profile on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.